Do not forget Osgiri with even what is that one? The Igbo type. I will bring it as a wine. Let me give you a proverb.
Iyoye kote ojirisi aburu.
We don't tempt the gods. We do as we say. We don't tempt the gods.
You get it?
We are women. We will not tempt the gods.
Instead of them to take their problems to God, they are taking their problems to man. They don't know I have my own problem. Make them they play. They play! If they come, I know what to do. Last. Is the one you must chow.
Chama Oji.
Your blood, okay, doctor. I put prayer. Sit up here. Go to Baba. I greet you. Give me my daily bread. Go to Baba. I greet you. Here's the wine. Call me my daughter. Sit down. Here's the wine. Wine, Marama. Wine, the working at job. The number one eye in this village. A woman that talks and it happens. Here's the wine. I've come again. I know the last time we did not really have a good,
Let me remind you, the last time we walked out of the shrine.
I'm sorry, here's a wine.
Just like walking out from the
gods.
gods.
Emotions, most times when we are in our period, it swings. Here's a wine. I brought this for the gods. The gods. Something told me that the gods are angry. The gods are angry. Very, very angry. And hungry at the same time. They're angry and hungry at the same time. So, based on the spirit land, the communication, it's for the gods. Here's the wine. Cody. Here's the wine. Number one woman in this village. Wine is one. Here's the wine.
What is this for?
It's for cola. It's just for cola. Here's the wine.
Take it. You don't give us the wine things. Drop it for the gods. I don't have any business with that. I don't have no business.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Here's the wine.
So like you were saying, how much is there?
It's a toko. It's just for the voice of the spirit. The gods has some boys. It's for the boys.
I'm very stupid.
Yes, because you can't see them. They actually exist. But you can't see them.
It's a wine.
Okay, so what were you saying the last time before you rudely walked away? I pardoned you. I could have done something strong.
It's a wine. Anyway, temper. Jesus! Concerning that matter we're talking about, that where I have that shop, where I dropped my concom in the shop. You know that those fat women. I don't know what they did, but I know that you're stronger than wherever they got their child.
I'm very strong.
Yes, I want you to, give me some things so that I can overshadow them. Let them begin to come to my shop. My palm oil and everything is better than them.
On it. Big number. Come. Continue.
So just give me something strong, a strong concussion. By the time I keep it at the front of my shop, people begin to come, viam. And that 10 bags of rice you ask is a wine. Will take you 10 bags of rice is a wine. A promise is a promise.
Okay,
it's a promise.
Good. Bring all the items I sent you. Don't forget Maggie. Don't forget salt. Do not forget onions. Granite oil and palm oil.
Small things.
Don't forget it. I don't play.
It's small things. It's small things is a wine.
I'll give you something. You will take it to your shop, and when you put it there, customers will come for only one day until you fulfill your promise.
Just one day. He's doing like one day data. It's a wine.
Okay, I'm giving you 7 days. Because you honor the gods with your token. Do not forget, you have to submit those items.
I will bring it as wine.
Do not forget Osgiri
with even what is that one?
The Igbo type.
I will bring it as a wine.
Let me give you a proverb. Iyoye kote ojirisi aburu.
We don't tempt the gods. We do as we say. We don't tempt the gods. The gods are spirits and we are women. We don't tempt the gods. Here's a wine. Wine marama. Hey. Oko sisi.
You can leave my presence.
Hey. Here's a wine.
Just leave my presence.
Here's a wine.
Here's a wine.
It is smoky book.
They play.